Good morning, everyone. It's the beginning of May Bank Holiday. And it's also the bank holiday where it's the Talgarth Walking Festival. We're not part of it, but my daughter and her partner are doing a run today, and they're setting off from Talgarth, which is behind us, and they're going straight up that big lump in front of us. That's the mountain, not my wife, by the way. So we're half an hour ahead of them. They've registered and got their little thing they put around their wrists. There's a chance for us to try and collect all, or for me, my outdoor gear, which is, after we've moved, been spread all around the house. So I spent most of last night trying to find it. Did pretty well. There's only a few things I didn't find. And the forecast was perhaps a drop of rain this afternoon, and it's sunny and very warm, and it's a fair bit of up all the way so far. But we'll keep you posted, and when all the fit people come running past, see if I can capture them for you. As predicted, it's the first of the fit people, the runners. They are seriously fit. They must be so hot as well. My wife just mentioned to me that I'm in their way. That statement of the obvious. I'll get out their way. Well done. My wife just pointed out, she said, "You're in their way." I thought, yeah, I know. Well done.
Yes.
I used to have knees. Off they go. Well, that's the first of the ladies to go through. And she was number 10. And there's Casteldinas, a lovely Iron Age hill fort. And there's another route I want to go and do. Takes that ridge up to Wanvach. Some more elite people coming past. Well done. My wife could have opened the gate for you. I could have done that, couldn't I? We could have been more helpful. Yeah. Well, I want to keep it all even and fair. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Number 15, 16, 17, 18. They're doing ever so well. And then you can see this meadow here. It's full of cuckoo flowers. I've only got about 6 in our meadow. They're ever so pretty. Look, if I come down. Oh, where are we? Where's one? There he is. Got in focus. There it is. Well done. Well done. Yeah, they're known as cuckoo flowers. They come out at the same time as the cuckoo. There's our team in the distance. My daughter. Here they come. Well done, them. Little wildlife pond. Well done. Yep. Whoa. Go. Well done, team. Your number's 21 and 22, and there's only 20 people in the field. Don't worry, you'll get them. Poli, as they say in Swahili. We're sweepers, I think. Oh, really? They're not last. There's Mrs. Antagonist. There we are. Just keeping an eye on me. It occurred to me that I think today's the 2nd of May, 3rd of May. But isn't the 1st May bank holiday, 1st of May, isn't that when the Dutch celebrate King's Day? Or Queen used to be Queen Beatrix, isn't it? Which is why I'm wearing orange. Here we go. Well done.
Faster.
You'll catch them
You're
yet.
running. It's more than I'm doing.
It is quite muggy today. We had some rain overnight, which is quite welcome actually, because it's rained for 6 months. It's after a week, it soon dries out. You'd be surprised. Made it to the common, where you can park. Which, thinking about it, we could have done that. We wouldn't have had to walk the first section. So that's what our next attack point is, that big lump there. Maybe about the weather, isn't it? That's not bad for a bit of exertion this morning. Got our sheep inevitably for company. And look at this gorse. Very bright and cheerful. Wonderful. Oh, prickly though. Oh, ow, oh, ow, 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 ow. Just a trickle of water. A nice bit of walking. Walking into the bit of a breeze now, cooling. We're looking west there. You can see Brecon Beacons in the distance. There's a fair few wildflowers wildfires recently up here in the dry spell. Excuse to stop. I pan you to the left and point you into the sun. You might just be able to see a person standing up there, the cairn, and the zigzag of the path heading up. That's where we're heading. Just crossing this stream. And then that's our hit point. When we cross the stream, then the path should bear around to the left and go up the spur. A bit of gorgeous, isn't it? Down to sort of Fairy Glen down there. Handy place to sit down. Just to prove I'm not always walking behind my wife. You can listen to me wheeze. Oh, nearly there. Nearly there. Whew. Well done. Having a breather at, I've christened this Hexagon Rock, because it looks like a hex nut on the top, doesn't it? Wonder what size spanner would take that. The good thing is, all the other people are all on penny van and all the tourist traps, and they could be here. Have this place to yourself. We picked up a dropped water bottle for someone in the race. Just giving it to a gentleman. You can just see behind Mrs. Antagonist in a red down there. He's going to hand it back into the organisers. I think it was someone at the back of the pack must have dropped it. Just looking across to the cairn. It's been assured it's one of the finest views in South Wales. We stopped here for a snack. Had some of my daughter's banana bread she made us. And my piece of fruit, I brought a banana. I'm very well bananaed. Right, off we go. They're already finished. For any of you that wondered what the view from the top looks like and what's up here, it's a lovely view, not much else. The R360, ooh, we're going to drop off over there somewhere. This would have been checkpoint 3. Got some ponies up here. I'll swing around and now that's the descent. Just before it rains, I think. Get down. We're still heading down and my daughter's in the car on the way home. Oh, to be young. I have it on good authority that my wife's not wearing the right kind of bra to run downhill. Apparently. For me, on the other hand, my bra's working great. Right, that's looking back. Talgarth, target ahead, target acquired. Looking back down towards the common, that sort of white bit of land on the right hand side. A collection of cars, you remember on the way up? Spot which field's been fertilised. We're just dropping down here, straight path, and just as we come down here to the left hand side, it's the former hospital. I don't know what sort of hospital, whether it was an institution hospital, but it's now, if I hold you up, you can go see over the hedge. It's now all just gone to rack and ruin. It's all unsafe. There's signs up saying, don't go in. So there's a prime development site, I imagine. Tell me, what were you going to say? It's a bit awkward.
It's a bit awkward to put up.
Because
well,
you're being it very low.
I can't really do it any higher because it bends inwards. So I'd have the gutter like that on an angle.
Fimbo's been sealing up our rabbit problem. As you can see, there's one brick missing there. And there's a run underneath. Had one rabbit up. There's also two large toads sitting up there. It's taken 4 bags of sand. You can see the brick there that we've already filled that run back in. And if I take you onto the other side of the deck, if you can see that we've been putting chicken wire, hopefully, all the way along, and then putting the sand in, fill them up. One of the ladies has worked out how to use the feeder. Our girls are now providing us with 4 eggs a day. My daughter sent me the recipe for banana bread and it turned out fine. Even had a double yolker, and now my back is getting better, and inspired by the Fell Race, I completed my first 5 kilometre park run at the weekend.